In this video, we continue our series looking at how you can make money from wood carving. Today, we're going to show you how you can make a bowl. Before we get started making your bowl, let's just look at what you're going to need to design and make the bowl. You're going to need a pencil, paper, and carbon paper to design the bowl and to transfer the drawing onto the woods. You're going to need a piece of wood large enough to actually make your bowl from. A method for cutting out. We're going to be using a bandsaw and a scroll saw. A drill, either a wheel brace, a hand drill or a pillar drill to drill a hole into the bowl. A method for sanding. We're going to be using a belt sander and also hand sanding as well. And a method for finishing your bowl. We will be using shellac sand and sealer. One essential part for making our bowl is to have a scroll saw with an adjustable table. This is absolutely essential in getting the design to work. So without further ado, let's get into it and show you how you can make a simple bowl in wood. Step number 1 is to design your bowl and transfer the design onto the wood itself. Step number 2 is to drill a hole into the wood that will be used for feeding your scroll saw blade into. Step number 3 is to cut a basic outline of the bowl shape out on your bandsaw. Step number 4 is to adjust the table on your scroll saw for cutting the internal line. Step number 5 is to use your scroll saw to cut out the internal line. Step number 5 is to sand your bowl. Step number 6 is to finish your bowl. 6 simple steps for making a bowl out of wood. There you go, that's just a simple guide for how you can make a bowl out of wood. Nice little project to have a go at. Remember, you've got to get that angle right on your scroll saw. Play around with it. I found around about 3 degrees. That's what you're looking at to make a bowl like that one there. If you don't like it as a bowl as well, it'll always double up as a fashionable hat. Hopefully that video is useful. And as always, we'll be back again soon with more videos. Thanks again. Don't forget to
subscribe.
And we'll be back again soon with more videos.